Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update. Take a look at the map there. You can see temperatures have fallen into the 20s as expected in most locations, so just a bitter cold morning for us. As low as 21 right now in Idabel, even Shreveport down to 27. We're down to 30 in Texarkana, and we'll likely start out in the mid-20s at least in all areas this morning. But one thing that we are thankfully not dealing with was any kind of wind, so even though it's very cold, it actually feels maybe a little better than yesterday morning as we had the very breezy conditions through the day on Monday. We don't expect that today. Winds will be pretty light, but eventually we will pick up a sustained south breeze about 10 miles per hour. Just a little active wind switching from the north to the south will be enough to warm us back into the upper 50s and low 60s today. So it is still going to be a cool day, but it will feel a little more pleasant than yesterday again with the lighter wind and plenty of sunshine out there. Enjoy the sunshine while we have it today. We are going to see our next cold front move in tomorrow, so that is going to bring some rain and cloud cover as soon as tomorrow morning across much of the Arklatex. So for today, this will likely be our warmest day until late in the weekend as we'll top out upper 50s and low 60s across the region. There's a look at satellite and radar. You can see there's really nothing in the pipeline, but we've got a very quick moving upper level disturbance here, which is kind of diving across the Rockies, and you can see it is stirring up some of the cloud cover and the rain in the Rockies. That is basically going to park itself over the 4 states region here at some point tomorrow, so it is going to keep the chance of rain going for much of the day. Let's talk about the temperatures. Very important. Obviously, we have some rain that's coming in after midnight. We've had very cold air with freezing temperatures the past few mornings in a lot of areas. The increase in cloud cover tonight should hold most of us above freezing, so what will start out as a cold rain expected to just continue to be a cold rain on Wednesday morning. I know there's been some questions about whether we'll see a changeover to maybe a little bit of snow. That is possible, but it doesn't look like we'll see any kind of accumulations, and that probably wouldn't happen until Thursday morning. So we'll take you through Thursday morning here. Again, the clouds increasing after midnight tonight. For the morning commute on Wednesday, expect we will have some rain, especially across our East Texas counties, and we'll probably see that rain approaching both Texarkana and Shreveport at some point during the morning commute. Again, temperature is pretty cool here, so we're not expecting any widespread thunderstorm activity, but it is possible 1 or 2 thunderstorms to get going, which obviously could bring a little bit of lightning and brief heavy rain. It looks like that chance of rain, because this will be a pretty slow-moving area of low pressure that's sitting over top of us. Since it's slow-moving, so will the rain, so we are expecting the rain will be around for much of the day on Wednesday before tapering off kind of late. We'll have to watch. Again, FUTURECAST is showing all the precipitation is out of here by sunrise on Thursday, but if we do see any lingering showers here across the region, we'll have some very cold air in place Thursday morning. Could have a few locations below freezing, so there is the potential we could see in some locations maybe a little bit of rain change over into perhaps a few snowflakes as well, but we would not expect to see any kind of accumulation, so no travel impacts as far as that's concerned, and you'd have to be up pretty early on Thursday to see that occur, but we'll kind of keep you updated on the potential for that, but it doesn't look like we'll see any kind of significant winter weather. Could see a decent amount of rain, though. Slow movement of the system should allow a lot of locations to pick up maybe half an inch to an inch of rain and maybe some isolated higher amounts, and you can see the rain tapering off Thursday. We're going to be pretty cold late this week and into the early portions of the weekend, but we should have some warmer weather back Sunday and Monday. Looks like there may be another chance of rain trying to scoot in sometime maybe next Tuesday or Wednesday.